In this video, Professor Liu is going to show you how to do Chapter 1A to create a Visual Basic project named Splash Project A, and which include a label and a picture box. And your project looks like the picture here. So let's start to do it right now. First, I will have Visual Studio 2022 pop up. At here, I need to create a new project. A new project here. Make sure I select Visual Basic. Then I'm going to select Window Form Application and click Next. And here, let's change the name to Splash Project and 1A. Okay. And here I can place them all together. That's fine. So I do next. And make sure you know where it lands on. It goes to your user file and probably your hard drive name, source repos, and I want to create a folder CIT111. I create chapter 1. If not, you're going to create right now. Next. And it will go to the .NET 6.0. It's a long-term support. Of course, we don't want to do that. Okay, so here I got a form 1. We're going to loading the designer. Wait for a while. Okay, designer is pop up. If you don't have the designer right here, in case you don't have, you want to do window and reset window layout. Reset window layout. Okay, and click OK and put yes, and it pop out like this way, and it's just a toolbox, and you pin the toolbox. Then from now on, you will have a toolbox. You will have a solution explorer, and you will have property box. Okay, so let's do exactly what we want right now. We want a label 1. So right here, we want a label. So let's grab a label here. All right, that's label 1. Okay, and go to a text here and put my name is Xin Liu. All right, so the label will depend on how many characters you have, and the size, the length of the label decide by how many characters in the text box. If that's too small, let's just make sure we go to the font here. Seagull UI. Let's make it a little bit bigger size. How about 18? All right. So I got a label right now. Next, I want to get the picture box. And for this picture box, you need to download the country charm first. Okay. So for here, and I need you to make sure you download the country charm first. Okay, you download the country charm first. Now I got the label. I'm going to do the picture box right now. So I downloaded already, and I'm going to go to my picture box. It's okay. So drag a picture box, and I put the picture box right here. All right. So I'm going to click the triangle, and I'm going to choose the image. I already downloaded. Okay, so when I import it, I already download here, so I'm going to save it, and I say okay. But I only see the cloud because this picture is too big. You have to stretch it to fit this box. You say stretch image. Okay, so that's it. And to run this program, you do build. If you see 1 succeeded, 0 fail, and 0 update, that means you are correct. Then we are going to debug and start without debugging. Alright, once you see that, you are correct right now. Now next, you are going to look for your exe file and also zip this file. Okay, in order to do that, we wanted to close this. Okay, so you want to say file exit. Okay, so let it close right now. Then we are going to go to your Explorer. Okay, C drive. Remember, I put in user. My hard drive name is called Viera, and I'm going to go to source folder, and I'm going to repos. I put in CIT111 chapter 1. It's right here. Okay, so I open this one here, and it's in the bin folder. I open the debug, sometimes release, and net 6.0 window. Okay, so the exe file is here. I want to copy it. Then I go back to chapter 1 here. Okay, I paste. Okay, then here the splash project 1A, I didn't open it. I want the entire folder here. So you right click it and you send to compress zip. So these two files are the file you need to submit. So let me show you how do I submit that. I am going to I'm going to do a student right now. So I will submit assignment. First, I'm going to upload it. I want to choose the file. Is that right? Okay. It is in my C drive. Remember that? C drive. And add my user. My hard drive name is VA. And I am going to go to source. I'm going to repo. And it's CIT111. In my chapter 1, I have my zip file. So I upload it. Okay, I have another one. So I upload it. And I choose a file. Is that right? And that'll be exe file. So I have two files right now. After I have these two files, I'm going to submit assignment. Take a while because okay. So success. I finish. I hope you like this video.